For everyone that are using Android phone, this particular video is very much important for you, most especially if you uninstall any apps on your Android phone. Quite a lot number of people are not aware that once they click and hold down and click on uninstall, by the time they uninstall a particular app on their Android phone, the folder that make up the particular app are still in within that particular Android phone. And as a result of that, those folders are still stealing some of your Android phone storage device. And as a result of this, I'm going to show you in this video on how to uproot or how to permanently delete leftover folder by any apps on your Android phone from your Android phone internal storage in order to clean up your Android devices storage. Let me show you how. Very first thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and simply close this. Then I'm going to go ahead and simply look for files right here. Go ahead and click on files. So every Android phone have this particular file folder. So on getting to this stage, next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here and then make sure you click on your internal storage right here. So click on internal storage. That's going to take you right here. Now you have some of the folder right here. Some of the uninstalled app that still have folder in your Android phone is going to be disabled right here. So take a look at all these. They are disabled. This simply means that all this disabled folder here, their apps have been completely removed from my Android phone. Just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see them right here. And anyone that is still much visible right here, deep gray, it means that they are still function because the app is still on your Android phone. So the one you need to delete are this one that are low gray right here, all these ones right here, like share it right here. So all you have to do is to click on these three dots right here, and then you have permanently the delete right here. Simply click on that and then delete one folder permanently. This is permanent and cannot be undone. 2 files inside the folder will also be permanently deleted. Go ahead and simply click on delete and you are done. You can review as many as possible apps that you know that you have already deleted their data and app from your Android phone, like this one right here. One Gallery is an app that have already been deleted since 2004 and they still have data in my phone internal storage. So what we want to do now is to simply click on this 3 dots right here, and then we simply go ahead and click on permanently delete right here, and then go ahead and click on delete. They still have about 16 folder in my phone, still taking up my internal storage. Boom. After a successful delete and you are done, you can review and delete as many as possible as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.